Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explore Sanur beach. There is along the beach a restaurant with the ocean view. So I just want to show you how look like the condition at the moment in Sanur beach. And I see there is a lot of restaurant open and some customer they having breakfast on the restaurant. So if you want to see how look like the condition at the moment in the Sanur beach, please keep stay tuned until the end of this video. And if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, and hit the bell because I have more information about Bali. So keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Today I will explore Sanur beach. The end of June 2021. You will see how look like the condition at the moment in Sanur beach. There is some activity, some shop open, also restaurant. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, so this is the condition at the moment in Sanur Beach. So what do you think? Is busy or quiet? Thank you for watching my video, and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, and hit the bell, because I will more explore some another beach in Bali. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.